that's a fun one because you can use both hands. You can do it above your head. You can. So if you have the tap really well, there's two variations that I like a lot. One, double time, and so you're actually contacting every quarter turn. So this stick is hitting perpendicular there, this stick hits there, this stick hits there, this stick hits there. Just think double time. Sometimes it's easier to hear the rhythm first because you can actually accelerate it if you're hitting the stick in the right spot. It's gotta be some kind of world record. The other variation is hitting it and then having your hand stick do a flip after contacting. So as you hit it up, that's already kind of getting some momentum to your stick to let it flip a half flip. Let's see if I can do that again. Oh yeah, I forgot I love this more than everything.